This is Pride Coaster Club with
Wildcat Coasters, and we are live at Kings Dominion on the brand new Rapterra roller coaster.
Let's get ready to launch.
Okay.
We're clear for takeoff. And we're headed to the launch platform.
Ready to fly.
Get ready for the world's fastest launch coaster in North America and tallest on a wing coaster. Yay! Woo!
Here we go into our first.
I feel a little bird. Get that inversion, Lila. Yay! This is awesome! Come down to Kings Dominion!
Our wings are flapping!
This bird is definitely flapping! Airtime!
And the best part at the end
And
is the barrel!
it's a hang time loop! Anyway, get down here to Kings Dominion and ride Rapterra. We know the lines will be long, but it's well worth it.